Everyone, George here. Today is 31st of July and it's Friday. So, a quick update. As you remember from my previous videos, at the moment we've got short positions. We have entered here, we're still standing short, that's fine. And as you know from the last video, I did mention that I'm waiting for certain confirmation to go short again. And then we'll see how the market, the currency pair will progress from there, as I will have a case either we're going to go long or short again. And you will see, as you know, we don't use stop losses, they don't work. It's for amateurs, and that's why you have 90%, over 90% of traders losing money, and still everyone signs up to trade. Unbelievable. You can see here, only 500 pips drawdown, which is nothing. It's £50,000, £770 drawdown. And remember, this is unrealized loss, and I will close it with realized profit. I'm talking about balance and equity will be. I probably will make between 1 and 2%. Either it's going to be 50,500 or 51,000 pounds. And remember one thing, I'm gonna be mentioning it so many times. It's all about timing and long term. Don't expect to make 20-30% per month. It's ridiculous. And if someone gonna promise you that, run for the hills. Okay, you can see here as well. FTSE dipped below 6,000. Okay, but look at the overall rise of pound against dollar. Yeah, of course, in the United States they've got problems. Anywhere in the world there are problems. So, fundamentals are not there to support these sort of uptrend long term. Um, and you can see, this is a Fibonacci. I just use it, not for trading per se, just to see, because I always measure the price. Okay, that's the bottom, that's the top, so to speak. And there is a possibility when it's going to decide, okay, it's time for me to correct myself. More or less, I know where it should land. That's the first bit, maybe second one. But hey, we're in a business to hit the targets. We don't really care where the price gonna end up. Couple of things to mention. Okay, this is from Bloomberg. Space GDP shrinks almost 19%. Wow, worst contraction yet. Okay, that's first bait. Another one. Newly renamed NatWest Group follows rival Santander and Lloyd's in reporting huge losses due to bad loans. No, Sherlock. Another one. Okay, that's from our Prime Minister Boris Johnson coming out today saying, hey, there will be certain problems ahead and delays or whatnot with regards to opening up businesses fully. Okay, that's the same. Losses balloon at Aston Martin after sales of his luxury cars nosedive. Well, dump the shares while you can and get out. Only going to nosedive further. I don't see anyone driving their luxurious cars to show off. There is nowhere to drive. If you're on a lockdown, don't waste your time. Santander records the biggest loss in its 163-year history. That's in Britain, but of course it's a Spanish bank, and that's another red flags at Monzo. That's a digital bank. Losses. 114 million loss on coronavirus hits. But look at this bit here. Its directors warned the loss-making bank faced material uncertainties that cast significant doubt upon the group's ability to continue as a going concern. Monzo raised 50 million pounds in mid-June, but at the cost of seeing its valuation fall by 40%. I mean, honestly, a business raises almost 60 million pounds and they fail. I'm not surprised. The same, I think, happened to WeWork. That's another company going to be experiencing certain problems in the near future, like any other office renting related businesses. Okay, guys, this is just end goals, of course. Quick update just to show you, check out my previous videos. I mentioned so many times that I walk my talk and everything will be documented. Yes, of course, short here, and we're gonna go short one more time. I will notify you when. Follow me on uh, Twitter and Instagram. Yeah, I'm just I just set up the account, so yeah, I'm gonna be up posting and updating my entry points, and you will see that in due course how it all works out. In our favor. Remember another thing, I'll just repeat one more time: when balance increases, equity follows, and in due course you will find out why. Okay, have a lovely evening and enjoy the weekend. We'll catch up next week.